Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations were coming from, and I'm just going to go ahead and use these levels for some of the nearer-term annotations from the presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing this, a bunch of confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first area, very straightforward as far as resistance is concerned, is just where the party stopped on several occasions today, and that's right up there for right around 295. So 295, like I said, I realize the price never technically hit 295, but close enough. So that'll definitely be the main level to watch going forward. And yeah, I get it, the last 30 minutes here looking pretty rough, but at this point I'm just not buying it. There's been plenty of times right there things were looking pretty rough going into the final 30 minutes, and then the price just totally goes the opposite direction. But I will say, at least the markets have been polite. The markets have been polite in the sense of it lets you know what sort of day it is. I mean, it gapped up today, so it's not like it acted like it was going to go downwards and then just rip to the upside. So at least the market was polite to the tune of gapping up, saying, yeah, hey, you know what? Lots of bullishness out there. So it is what it is. But at some point, this thing has got to pull back at least somewhat. So I am very, very cautious, moving from the long side of things and being bullish. Now, when I say pull back, I don't mean the market crashes back down to the lows. I'm not going that far. I'm just saying that at some point, there's got to be a little bit of a bigger pullback here. But like I said, nothing can, there are no such thing as guarantees. So you don't want to just, throw your entire account in from the short side because, well, pullback's got to happen. Little bit more logic needs to go into it than that. But a level that I'm very curious about, and we'll be watching very closely tomorrow, is right there at the 291 mark. Whether or not it comes into play obviously still remains to be seen. But that's going to be an area of support that, catches my eye as a level where if the price does pull back to it and then violates it to the downside, I could see that as kind of a break point, if you will, that, again, doesn't cause this, everything to crash back downwards, but then could generate some downside momentum that would create a bigger pullback for the market. And from a trading perspective, create some more opportunities out there. But all in all, these are the main dynamics here that I'm watching going forward. So let's see how it all plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.